Republic. Introduction. The concept of a republic holds significant importance in the Indian polity. India, officially known as the Republic of India, adopted a republican form of government after gaining independence from British colonial rule in 1947. A republic is a system of government where the country is considered a public matter, and the head of state is an elected or appointed individual, rather than a hereditary monarch. In this essay, we will explore the idea of a republic in the Indian context, its historical development, constitutional provisions, key features, and the significance it holds for the country. Historical development. The idea of a republic in India can be traced back to ancient times, where the concept of republics, or Mahajanapadas, existed. These were self-governing and autonomous units with a republican form of government. However, the modern Indian Republic took shape after independence. The Constituent Assembly, which drafted the Indian Constitution, chose to establish a democratic republic. Constitutional provisions. The Indian Constitution, which came into effect on January 26, 1950, lays down the framework for the functioning of the Indian Republic. It establishes India as a sovereign, socialist, secular, and democratic republic. The preamble of the Constitution declares India to be a republic, affirming the principles of justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity. The Constitution also provides for a parliamentary system of government, with a president as the head of state. Key features. Elected president. In the Indian Republic, the president is the head of state and is elected by an electoral college consisting of elected members of both houses of parliament and the legislative assemblies of the states. The president holds a largely ceremonial role, representing the unity and integrity of the nation. Sovereignty of the people. The Indian Republic upholds the principle of popular sovereignty, where ultimate power rests with the people. The citizens exercise their sovereign powers through elected representatives at various levels of government. Fundamental rights. The Constitution guarantees fundamental rights to all citizens, ensuring the protection of individual liberties. These rights include the right to equality, freedom of speech and expression, freedom of religion, and the right to constitutional remedies. The Indian Republic is committed to upholding these rights and providing equal opportunities to all citizens. Separation of powers. The Indian Republic follows the principle of separation of powers, with a clear distinction between the legislative, executive, and judicial branches of government. This ensures a system of checks and balances, preventing any one branch from becoming too powerful. Independent judiciary. The Indian Republic has an independent judiciary that acts as the guardian of the Constitution and ensures the rule of law. The judiciary has the power of judicial review, allowing it to strike down laws that violate the fundamental rights of citizens. Significance. The establishment of a republic in the Indian polity has had a profound impact on the country's governance and socio-political fabric. It has provided a platform for all citizens to participate in the democratic process, irrespective of their social, economic, or cultural background. The republican form of government has helped in fostering a sense of equality, justice, and inclusivity among the diverse population of India. Moreover, the Indian Republic has ensured stability and continuity in governance by providing for a peaceful transfer of power through regular elections. It has also played a crucial role in upholding the principles of secularism, pluralism, and social justice. The republican values of equality, fraternity, and liberty have been enshrined in the Indian Constitution, guiding the nation's progress and development. Conclusion. The concept of a republic holds immense significance in the Indian polity. India's journey from a colony under British rule to an independent democratic republic is a testament to the resilience and determination of its people. The Indian Republic, with its elected president, constitutional provisions, and democratic institutions, has been instrumental in safeguarding the rights and interests of its citizens. As India continues to evolve and face new challenges, the ideals of the Republic will continue to guide its path towards a more prosperous, just, and inclusive society. Thank you.